People always ask me what they can do to save money on their energy bills. Obviously, a new, more efficient heating and cooling system is one way, but there's lots of others. If you have old single-pane windows, replacing them with new double or triple-pane units is a great idea. The airspace between panes acts as insulation, and if you choose vinyl frames rather than aluminum ones, you create a thermal break that keeps heat from transferring as easily. Your water heater accounts for about 13% of your overall energy usage, so updating it will save a significant amount, especially if you choose a super efficient unit like the tankless gas models that are available today. These improvements aren't cheap, so the utility bill payback takes a little while, but there are inexpensive weatherization chores like replacing weather stripping around doors and windows, replacing worn thresholds or sweeps at doorways, and filling gaps and cracks around the outside of the home that will start showing you savings right away.